Hey, this is Paul. This is Repair for Neil. This is a K7000 19-inch monitor. Came to me in need of some service. The complaint was very dim. I did a full rebuild on it, caps and flyback. Reflowed some key points on the chassis that had some cold solder joints. Did a rejuvenation of the tube. Now we got a very decent picture. All colors are nice and bright now. As you can see here in the red screen, it has outrun burn. There's the car. So this monitor spent its whole life in an outrun. And now that it has been rebuilt, it will probably be good for another 20 years. All colors are as they should be. Nice stable picture. Good colors. The emissions on the guns were pretty low, so one rejuvenation brought them back. So it's got a little more life in the tube. There's a new flyback. Right here, started getting cracks in the casing. Every time I would turn the focus, I would hear high voltage coming out, so that was time to be replaced. All new Nichicon caps. Everything looks good on this guy. I think Neil will be pleased. See ya.